no matter what type of diabetes you're living with, what we're going to be talking about today when it comes to oil and insulin resistance applies to all of us. I'm living with type 1 diabetes, okay? We're going to get straight to it, guys. This is going to be very simple. There's really not that many, no slides today. So I want you to write this down, okay? And when you write it down, it actually sort of helps sort of keep the ideas in your brain, all right? So here is reason number 1. Yeah, I'm sure many have heard it before, but it's worth hearing again, okay? Oil is the most calorie-dense food on the planet. There is no food that has more calories per any quantity, any given weight. That's the one thing about calorie density. It's a constant, okay? Oil is the most calorie-dense food on the planet, and that is a problem, all right? It's not good when you are, particularly when you're trying to lose weight. It's hidden calories. Those calories are very precious. You want to get those calories from a better food source. Number 2, okay? It is technically a junk food. So best you can put on the screen. Number 2, oil is a junk food. By definition, any food that is high in calories and low in overall nutrition is a junk food. And the most common thing that everybody can, see very easily is white table sugar. You agree that white table sugar is a junk food because it's refined, it has a lot of calories, and its nutrition is low. Oil is a junk food, okay? So that's number 2. The third reason to cut out oil is that the whole food alternative is universally a better choice, all right? So having some olives on top of a salad, having some olives on top of a whole food plant-based pizza, that's a great decision. Taking some coconut flakes and sprinkling it on top of a smoothie bowl, that's great. Having some avocado on top of a salad, that's fantastic. That's way different than avocado oil. Taking some sesame seeds, sprinkling them on top of a meal, fantastic. But don't go for sesame oil, okay? So that is, it's very simple. And again, you hear this topic is so confusing. There's so many conflicting, it's so good for this and it's good for that and the Mediterranean diet and blah, blah, blah. Guys, this is very simple. That's one of the greatest things that we do at Mastering Diabetes is we make this process simple and clear, and you get quick results to confirm that what we're teaching you is true, okay? It is always better to have the whole food, okay? And maybe there's some like exceptions here or there, but in general, vast majority of cases, right, of situations, the whole food is what you're looking for. On this topic, I am very curious for you guys I do want to actually share my screen real quick. So let me share my screen. So I just went through this really quickly, really simply. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to pick a tab right here. Boom. Okay, so you should see this. Is olive oil a healthy choice? So this is specifically talking about olive oil, but we are also covering many other oils. If you want us to send you this article, just write oil in the chat box. And you have to do that on Facebook, or you have to DM us on Instagram or write team@masterdiabetes.org. And we will send you this article so you can see and read all the detail about this, right? So we covered a lot of science in here. We went into the different types of oils that exist, okay? Talking about the omega-3, omega-6. It's very detailed, okay? I simplified everything for you guys today, and I really just brought us down to the conclusion, okay? And so instead of what's an important conversation, the Mediterranean diet, insulin resistance, and we make it clear oil is a red light food.